Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to stretch image in Photopea. Photopea is a free online photo editor. We can go to this website to use Photopea. Now I click to start using Photopea, and then we can go to File folder. I have an image downloaded from freepik.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now I drag and drop this image into Photopea to open the image. And then the image is open, and make sure that we select the image layer and then go to edit and go to free transform, click it, or we can use shortcut Alt Ctrl T to use free transform. I click it, and then we can have the transform tool, and if we want to stretch the image, we can click and drag. Make sure that we press shift to stretch image. We can stretch image in height, and also we can stretch image in width. So if we're happy with this, we can press enter to apply it. And then if we want to crop it, we can press Ctrl and make a selection, and then go to image and crop. So this is how we can stretch image in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.